Hello everybody. From August 25th to 8th September, we celebrate the eye donation fortnight throughout the country. This is to help us spread the awareness of this beautiful act of charity. Let us start with what is eye donation. If you see this eye model, you can see that this circular portion, which is the most anterior most part of the eye and which is transparent, is called as a cornea. It is this part, that is a cornea, which is transplanted into the patient's eye. So it is not the complete eye which is used, but only the cornea which is transplanted, and that is why it is also called as a corneal transplantation. Now the first question which comes in our mind is who can donate their eyes? Well, anybody, any gender, any age group can donate their eyes. If a person is hypertensive, diabetic or asthmatic, they too can donate their eyes. A person who wears glasses, who has undergone eye surgeries like a cataract surgery or a glaucoma surgery, or anybody who has other eye problems like glaucoma, diabetic retinopathy, they can also donate their eyes. The only important thing is that the cornea, which is the part which is transplanted, should be clear and healthy. The only contraindication is that if there was any active infection inside the eye or in the body or any communicable diseases. There are some myths and facts about eye donation. Some people feel that eye donation can cause delay in the funeral activities. Well, no. Eye donation is quite a quick procedure. It takes just about 15 to 20 minutes, and so it doesn't cause any delay in the funeral activities. Eye donation is quite different from other donation like blood donation. Though you would wish to donate your eyes and you have pledged your eyes, it's up to the permission of the family members, the next of kin, to permit the removal of the eyes. So it's very important to let your family members know your wish of donating your eyes. Now, what is the difference between eye donor and a sight ambassador? Eye donor is the one who has pledged their eyes and who wish to donate their eyes. But sight ambassadors are those who not only pledge their eyes but also helped to increase the awareness of eye donation. They understand more about eye donation, what is the procedure, where are the eye banks available, and the most important thing they do is to just remind a family who is in grief about the eye donation. A family might be keen for eye donation of the person whom they have lost, but in that grief they would have forgotten about this noble act. So just a gentle reminder to them as to would they like the eye donation for the person who has departed can make a lot of difference. So please not only be an eye donor but be a sight ambassador so that you can give vision to many more people. Corneal blindness affects a lot of young adult population and there's a long life ahead of them. So it's very important that we do this noble cause today. And there are about 1.5 million people who have corneal blindness in India, and the need of corneas is almost 1 lakh every year. So there is a lot of requirement, and being a sight ambassador, we can spread this awareness to a large extent. If you SMS to 70396 and message I space your name space and place, then you will be able to get more information as well as a certificate of appreciation for getting registered and for showing your interest in eye donation. Let us all join hands together and make many more people see this beautiful world. Thank you.